I'm Trevin Reese with Ready America. We are a family-owned company in business for over 30 years. I'm excited to share with you our newest line of emergency kits. We want you to be prepared for disasters, and the best way is with our elite emergency kits. Experts agree that emergency services may not be available for up to 2 weeks. So, with that in mind, get your 2-person, 3-day elite emergency kit in large black backpack with red stitching. Contents include 3 2,400 calorie food bars, 18 Mayday water pouches with 2 Ziploc bags that has a drinking spout for water, 50 water purification tablets, stainless steel water bottle, 1 emergency power station including cell phone charger, radio, alarm, and flashlight, 2 N-95 masks, heavy-duty multi-tool, 8-inch survival knife with compass and survival kit, 1 folding shovel, 107-piece first aid kit, 3 biohazard bags, pair of high-quality leather gloves, 4-ounce hand sanitizer, 1 basic hygiene kit, and 1 additional toothbrush and mouthwash, 2 12-hour light sticks, micro spark wheel, Heritage Light Me Tinder Pack, 3-pack of Instafire and Mylar pouches, 5-in-1 survival whistle, 2-person tube tent, 1 10-yard roll of duct tape, 25-foot nylon cord, 2 ponchos, 2 knit caps, 12 wet naps, 1 set of wipes in soft dispenser, 2 sets of tissues, 4 nitrile gloves, 2 survival blankets, 1 document pouch, and 1 deck of playing cards. Lastly, you can register your backpack and receive a reminder to refresh your food and water. All Ready America backpacks are 100% guaranteed. Let's take the first step now to get prepared. Thanks for watching.